Henan Zhongrui Machinery specializes in designing and manufacturing advanced oil extraction systems tailored to meet specific industry needs. Their product line includes a variety of machines suitable for extracting oils from different sources, including animals like foxes. The equipment is engineered with precision and durability in mind, ensuring long-term performance even under demanding conditions. Additionally, their cutting-edge technology ensures higher yields while minimizing waste. One of the key advantages of choosing Henan Zhongrui is their commitment to innovation. They continuously invest in research and development to stay ahead of technological advancements in the field of oil extraction. This dedication results in machinery that offers superior efficiency and safety style. They provide customized solutions based on clients' unique requirements. Beyond providing top-notch equipment, Henan Zhongrui places great emphasis on customer support. From initial consultation through installation and beyond, their team ensures every step of the process runs smoothly. They offer training sessions so users can fully leverage the capabilities of their purchased machinery. Furthermore, in conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable partner for your Fox oil extraction needs, Henan Zhongrui Machinery Co. Limited presents itself as an excellent option. With state-of-the-art technology, personalized service, and unwavering reliability,